Hello, today I am going to tell you the summary of The Helpful Young Man. Okay, the story is of a peasant. Peasant is a farmer who had big land, many lands, and seven sons. One morning, when peasant woke up, he was blind. They called many doctors, but doctors' result was not fruitful. One day, fakir is a saint, was passing by the farmer's house. He went inside the house and saw the farmer was blind. He told that they have to bring ash of a special fish, and that fish is going to be found in ocean. So all the six brothers were very scared. Scared means afraid that who is going to go to the ocean and bring the ashes of fish. So they forced the youngest brother to go there. Youngest brother was very kind at heart, so he went by. Many hurdles and obstacles came on his way, but finally he reached the ocean. There he caught the fish, but the fish pleaded him to leave so that and promised that she is going to help the boy. The boy told the fish that his father is blind and someone has told to bring the ash of eyes of that fish. The fish told, bring sand, touch my eyelid and touch the same sand of your father. The boy did the same and his father's eyes restored. He could see. Now all the brothers thought that, oh, now the father is going to love him and give all his property to him. So they forced him to go and bring that fish. So helpless boy has to go there. While he was going, on his way, he met a buck. Buck is a male deer. And he was searching to hide somewhere because hunters used want to kill him. So the boy helped the buck to save his life. Save its life. Then he went back. Buck told, whenever you need, I am there to help you. Then he went back. On his way, he met a jackal. Same situation was of jackal also. Hunters were trying to kill him. So he hid the jackal and saved the jackal. Jackal told, whenever you wish, I am going to help you. Now after roaming for many hours many hours, he was tired and he was searching food and rest because he came out from the house in the morning itself. Then he saw a palace, and in the palace there lived a beautiful princess who had a magical mirror. And what was the quality of that mirror? That it could she could see in the mirror wherever, anywhere a person can hide. So the princess told that you hide yourself anywhere in this world, and if I am going to search you, then I will kill you, and if I am not going to search you, I will marry you. So the boy went to the buck. First of all, the boy went to the fish. Fish took her to in the stomach and deep in the sea, but the princess searched. Then princess told, I searched you, I am giving you one more chance. Then the boy went to the buck. The buck took him to the hills, but there also princess could search. Then princess told, I am giving you the last chance. If this time I am going to search you, I will kill you. So the boy was very helpless. He went to jackal. Jackal is a clever animal. So jackal told that, wait, I have an idea. Why don't you hide yourself under the bed of the princess? She would not be able to search it. The boy told, yeah, yes, a nice idea. So jackal helped the boy to hide under the bed of the princess. The boy hid himself. The princess was searching and all over in the mirror but could not search the boy. And in anger, she broke the mirror and they happily married and lived happily after that. Okay, thank you.